You don't need to build a house anymore. This house is prefabricated in our factory just in 30 days. Galvanized steel structure, aluminum alloy shell, and fluorocarbon paint makes it survive for over 50 years. Here is our dry and wet separation bathroom, and here is the shower area, here is the toilet area. And the basin, the mirror are all factory installed. And this wall is filled with polyurethane foam material, so you don't need to worry about the insulation problem. And here's the big floor-to-ceiling windows. You can enjoy the scenery from the inside. And put back here, we can just lie here and relax. So, what do you think of this house?